Here we come to the elevator at the Student Center at Rice University in Houston, Texas. They thankfully don't have the music playing since I came here yesterday, so I don't have to worry about trying to either talk over so loudly or having to mute the audio. So with that being said, let's ride, here we go. But that won't be the case until the end. Oh, we're gonna have a great motor on this, and I'm gonna show you something on the basement. This is a little bit of much more detailed take of this elevator. B. Look at this cab. Absolutely beautiful. The fixtures are the only things that were replaced along with the added on ADA foam. Unfortunately, that floor indicator doesn't work. Look at this right here. Look at this. That metal piece right there, that's where the original call button used to be until they added this right here for ADA compliance. Look at this elevator lobby right here. I don't know if this used to be an Otis or something, but based on the height of the call station, it appeared that it either used to be an Otis or some sort of old generic brand with GAL black button fixtures based on the floor indicator. And great, there is music playing. I guess so we don't have to worry about that anymore because I just started the video gladly in time for that. And look at this door track right here. It's very 50s looking. I don't know what brand this elevator is, actually. If anybody knows, please leave it in the comments below. That's your original floor indicator right there, which obviously this doesn't look like Otis, unfortunately, because I think this is, I don't know if it's Westinghouse or something. I don't know what brand this elevator is, but gotta be some sort of generic older brand with some sort of GAL black button fixture or Halo GAL, I don't know. But anyways, these are your fixtures here. Though I do wish it's still got the original fixtures, but this mod is still what I accept. So with that being said, let's get a listen to this motor, here we go. Original GL button, I'm gonna call it back. As I remember correctly, this elevator does automatically park on the ground, so I'm gonna show you that real quick. See, it just parks right here. All right, I think we will go for one more ride. Again, I really love this elevator, I really do. Definitely my most favorite elevator here on the campus. I absolutely love this elevator. I've been dying to see this elevator for so long, ever since HCP051000 has filmed this. I want to go back down to the basement. I want to show you that. I want to see that original placement for the call station again. Again, I absolutely love this elevator. I'm sorry if I've been rambling on and on about this, but this elevator is something that is my absolute favorite of all times. Definitely by far my most favorite elevator on this campus, and I actually already know a few friends that actually study here, which kind of told me that this elevator is still old as it is, and as I came here, boy, am I glad it's still original. This is where the original call button used to be before they replaced it with a GAL. Unfortunately, I think I kind of spoke a little too soon because the music had already started blasting again as they were getting ready for a party. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and that'll be it.